Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to install a specific version of NPM package in Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I got a very basic Node.js application here. Let's open the package.json file. So you can see we got a package here, Lodash, and this is the latest version that I have installed. If I want to install a specific version, for example, an older version, for that I need to open the terminal first. For that, simply go to View, then click on Terminal. Now let's say I want to install an older version, that is 3.10.1. Now to install that specific version, I need to type a command npm install Lodash. You can also put I here instead of install. Both will work. Now add symbol and the version. Like I said, it is 3.10.1. Hit the enter key. So you can see now we got an older version, and that is 3.10.1. In a similar way, you can install any version of any package. So I hope you understood how to install a specific version of NPM package in Visual Studio Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.